showcase a few of our latest finds. And here up first we have a triple play. We've got a kel-aire on the left there, and basically it was in pretty rough shape. It was very rusty. It worked fine, but I did have to strip and repaint it. The motor's doing fine. It's a GE 3-speed. What I'm going to do is explain each fan, and then I'm going to go one at a time and go high, medium, low, off. And here we've got an Eskimo. Okay, this one's also a repaint, inside and out. It was in very, very poor condition. And it's also the first Eskimo I've seen with a metal rear grille and a plastic front grille. And then finally a kel-aire 3-speed. It just required some cleaning, and that was it. Of course, these have been cleaned up and refinished as we do. The only thing I got left on the kel-aire is I got a little bit of surface rust to knock off the grills because they went through the dishwasher. But I'm going to use an SOS pad for that, and it should come right off. Alright, starting from the left, the kel-aire, we'll go high, medium, low, and then the Eskimo, and then the kel-aire on the right. Here we go. Medium. Low. And off. Otherwise known as 0. That jet engine sound in the background you hear is the inducer fan on the furnace cranking up. Okay, on the Eskimo, here's high. Medium. You know that had to be in there. Low. And off. Finally, the kel-aire on high. Medium. Low. And of course, OFF spells off. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed our first part of most recent acquisitions. There will be more video, probably at least one more video coming up within the next few days. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Tell all your friends and visit us on the web at spatsandharley.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.